In Telangana, ensuring basic survival for those who can no longer work requires a dedicated system of monthly financial support. Welcome to NirmanKit. We are here to help you navigate state welfare programs, starting with the specific requirements for success. The Aasara Pension Scheme is a comprehensive initiative by the Telangana government designed to secure a dignified, independent life for those unable to support themselves through labor. The program primarily targets three main groups: senior citizens, widows, and physically disabled individuals. But it also extends to highly specific marginalized groups. This includes weavers, toddy tappers, and destitute beady workers, as well as patients managing HIV/AIDS or elephantiasis. By bringing all of these distinct groups under a single, centralized system, the state creates a unified safety net for its most vulnerable residents. Delivering that support relies on the direct benefit transfer, or DBT, mechanism. This system removes physical paperwork and manual payouts, stripping away administrative friction. To receive these funds, every applicant must have a biometric-enabled bank account or a registered post office account. Routing funds directly to these verified accounts ensures the money reaches the intended person, maintaining transparency and preventing third-party interference. This chart details the specific payout amounts. The first slab provides 2,016 rupees per month for senior citizens and widows. For physically disabled beneficiaries, the scheme provides a higher monthly amount of 3,016 rupees. These direct, tiered payouts provide immediate, measurable financial support, placing reliable capital straight into the hands of those who need it. To secure these deposits, you must clear the application phase. You can avoid government paperwork friction by following a strict, non-negotiable checklist. There are three mandatory documents. First, the Aadhaar card for primary identity verification. Second, a valid food security or ration card to prove economic eligibility. Finally, a category-specific proof: an age certificate for seniors, a SAT/RM certificate for the disabled, or a widow's death certificate. Presenting yourself at an application center without these three specific documents will result in an immediate rejection. Once your documents are ready, the process follows three chronological steps, starting locally at your nearest ME Seva center. Step 1 requires you to physically submit the Aasara pension form alongside those three mandatory proofs at the ME Seva portal. Step 2 is the state-led verification. The government initiates an inquiry to confirm the details provided in your submission. This involves a physical check on the ground. A municipal or panchat secretary will visit you to verify your actual socioeconomic status. If the details are confirmed, you reach Step 3, approval and card issue. This is when the verified beneficiary receives their official Aasara pension card. Passing that physical field verification is the final hurdle. Once cleared, the state initiates the continuous monthly bank credits we discussed earlier. We must conclude with a few safety protocols. When government funds are involved, predatory actors often emerge to exploit the system. You must know that applying for the Aasara pension is 100% free. Official offices do not collect registration fees. Be on high alert for anyone claiming they can speed up the approval process in exchange for a fee. This is a common scam. Strictly limit your interactions to official municipal or panchayat officers, and only verify your pension deposits through official bank or post office channels. Armed with these specific requirements and scam awareness, leaders and families can safely secure this support. Head over to NirmanKit.in to track your progress and get started.